This is my first ever freaking Animal Company video. Or short, I don't care. So yeah, this is me in the Animal Company. Hello. Yeah, I'm just a wee hybrid. I do have Trevor Snail. Look at him up there. Look at him up there. Alright, don't worry about my eyes. So I have been playing Animal Crossing for a while. That's why I have the freaking glitch. I don't have the glitched eyes. I need someone to help me. Alright, so yeah. I don't really have anything unlocked. I usually play UG, Hero X Hero, and stuff. So yeah, that is probably mostly all I'm gonna say. So yeah, see ya the heck later, and like and subscribe.